you're looking for a Duolingo cheat, this is the video for you. Are you teachers or parents forcing you to learn a language? Or are you simply distressed by the leaderboard? DuoHacker is an app which will complete lessons, stories, legendary lessons and placement tests, even school assignments for you. As you can see, it's quite simple to use. If you're too lazy to do any work yourself, you can simply open the settings by pressing CTRL+S, or if you're on a Mac machine, Command+S, and enable the auto mode. Now DuoHacker will open lessons, complete them and also collect rewards for you. Now let me show you how to install it. As you can see, currently only Windows and Linux, this includes Chrome OS, meaning Chromebooks, are available, but soon Mac OS by Apple will follow. To start the installation, simply run the downloaded file. When it's finished, the app will open. If you're on Windows, you might get this pop-up, and it looks quite scary, but you can ignore it for now. What it really means is that Windows doesn't know this executable, and many people just haven't installed it yet. I'll provide a link in the video description so you can read about it. Now you can use Duolingo just as usual, but you have to log in first. Now you can open any type of lesson or test and it will do all the work for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like on YouTube as well. I hope it can help you in the future, and if you want to use it, go to DuoHacker.net.